Well, here it is. It's not pretty, but you don't see one every day. Pontiac Vibe GT, 2003. 4 flat tires all the way around. Back bumper. A little loose. I see why. Looks like it's held on with the tow strap wrapped through the back hatch. That's fixable. We'll see. Missing a little trim. 25 horsepower sticker. And door handle. Well, we'll see if she runs. So we can make some sort of contact. Hey, kitty.
Try not to fry the cat.
Okay.
See if she'll at least ding ding.
Right. A beat now. Seat could definitely go back further. It does not. Whew, that's uncomfortable. Okay. Okay, we're still moving from hot to cold. That's good. 209,000 miles. Nice, smooth as butter idle. I ran at about 1100. Half tank of gas. See this? It's blow AC. I didn't hear anything turn on, so that's a little concerning.
Sounds pretty good. What?
That reverse feels actually is grabbing.
Yeah, I don't know how well it's gonna move. Sounds pretty good, man. I don't see the AC engaging, so you can see the clutch kick in and then slip. It probably is low, if you're lucky.
Off now.
Although I'm also going to be very jealous of you if you actually have functional air conditioning on this road trip.
Don't have any check engine lights.
No check engine? Really?
No.
Well, I guess its battery's been dead for forever.
Yeah. She's pretty stock. But she engaged.
I would imagine your brakes are probably stock entirely.
Yep, she's about ready to give up because we have no alternator. It's not hot, but it's not cold either.
Well, if you're
See about
lucky,
that.
you're low. If you're not lucky, you need AC.
Oh god, this thing's gonna be horrible.
It's got to go further back.
Nah, that's it, man. That's the end of the travel.
Well, all right.
But actually, with the seat back, that's not so bad.
Got to get fat guy comfortable.
I guess so. Wow. All right. Well, it starts. Seems like it's going to move.
It probably moves.
And we'll see if we can make a deal with these folks. All right.
Come on, baby, inflate. He needs to sell you a new hose.
There it is.
Okay. Looks like we made a deal. Exactly what we came for, exactly the price we wanted to pay. So they were obviously motivated to get rid of it, which is good. So we'll have to see how big of a mistake it is once we can get underneath it. That guy will not let up on the front. Wow.
All the rest are rolling.
Yeah.
We just got one that's completely frozen up. Hey, broke loose.
How am I in the back?
You're good. You got like 5 feet. Keep coming.
I think you're gonna have
Nope. Still not enough. There we go. Keep coming. Keep coming this way. Now, all right. Now take it straight forward.
Can't, I don't know it's straight, so.
That way. There you go. Yep, you're good. Bring it. Straight. Oh, you're almost. Good.
On?
On.
Good.
Loaded.
What the hell is this?
This, it's your car.
My car. That's not a 10-second car, not a 10-minute car.
You could push this across the finish line or tow it. No faith.
Oh, I have faith in you, but this is ain't a junkyard. This is a garage.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood. 2ZZ engine, no shit.